y'all, Stump here with
Little Stump.
Well, good old boy, Mr. Firearm Pop, he was nice enough to send us some targets. And well, we're fixing to put them to use right quick. They are the EZ2C targets. I tell you what, we've shot a couple of them and we love them. We've checked out the website. They are inexpensive. You really can't find a better target for the money. And as far as the money, they're not expensive at all. They're realistically probably the cheapest targets we found. Well, we've got one set up back here. Old plastic tabletop. Got the target taped to it. We've got a 4 foot by 4 foot by 3/4 inch steel plate beyond that. That is our primary backstop. If we do have a failure with the plate, we've got about 100 acres of pine and a few hardwoods to stop it before it gets to anything else. So, I'm gonna get out of the way. Have at it, dude. Oh yeah, we're close. Probably about 12 to 15 yards.
Alright, I'll drop a bullet.
Well, I don't know what kind of quality the camera is doing here, but I can easily see those from here. And he is shooting a 22 LR. Now, I'm fixing to step in here and give you holes a little bit bigger to look at. You ready, son?
Yes, sir.
Alright. Like I say, holes that are just a little bit bigger. Alright, that's clear. I think you can definitely see those holes. But we're going to try to zoom in here a little bit for you. Now once the camera gets through shaking, once I let go, I do believe you can see his logo. That's going to be firearmpop.com. The targets can be found at capital letters EZ numeral 2 C.com. Y'all really need to go check these targets out. As you can see, the orange is an amazing contrast to a black bullet hole. I've wondered for years why target manufacturers use black. But anyway, that's a whole different can of worms. Fact of the matter is, at the moment, you can pick up, I'm wanting to say there's a little over 20 different styles of target. I do believe they come in packs of 25. At the moment, they are $7.50 for that pack of 25. And you know, that, I don't think you can find targets of this quality anywhere else for that price. Yeah, they're good targets. He does offer, as you can see from this one, you know, custom logo work. They're a good target. I mean, you can definitely see what you're doing. You don't have to worry about a spotting scope. Even, you know, even my son's 22. I mean, I'm fairly certain this camera, as lousy as it is going to show you those holes. The 45 round, I mean, yeah, you can see those pretty easy. But y'all, this is Stump and Little Stump. That'd be you. And we just want to definitely say, you know, between us, there's 4 thumbs up on these targets. And the price is right, the quality of the target is right. And, you know, the rest of us here on YouTube, you know, you do giveaways, you know, and you hit certain milestones on subs, or just want to do something nice and give something away. You can have your channel art put on there. And it don't cost an arm and a leg. So y'all, like always, be good and take care. And Pop, I hope this counts, man. Y'all have a good one.